Hi guys, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Winter soap making season is on. So today we're making some winter mint soap. It's an all-natural luxury bar and it's going to be pure white. I love to add shea butter and cocoa butter into my soaps, so this one will be just a naturally white color with a fun textured top, some peppercorn medley, and some rosemary needles. And I'm going to fragrance it with a blend of spearmint and peppermint essential oils, and I think I'm going to throw in a little bergamot and lavender just to round it out a little bit. Thanks for joining me. Let's make some winter soap. That turned out really nice. I am so excited. And aren't these just peppered with character? Who says all natural white soap has to be boring, right? Thank you again for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one soon.